This is Twit.
Maybe you'll buy one of these, all right? So at CES...
That's not a good thing, Dick.
Well, no, we'll see. We'll see, okay?
Okay.
So the last few years, there's been no real standout thing in the press room where people say, have you seen so-and-so?
That's the best time at CES, when everybody's kind of raving about, oh, my God, this is incredible.
Exactly. And this year it was, have you seen the Royale Foldable tablet? And so I said, I'll go check that out. And when you approach a booth and you see you can't get near the booth, you know that they're on. This is actually out? This is out in China.
Because I've seen concepts. Supposedly Samsung's going to announce something next month. I didn't know, though, that there already was one.
There was one. It's in China. It's a 7.8-inch tablet. And fortunately, we met the PR lady, and she said, go in the back, ask for so-and-so. They have one back there. And you can fold it yourself.
The password is swordfish.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So I went back there, and the guy hands me the tablet, and it's like a regular Android tablet. And he said, fold it. And I said, okay, you sure about this, right?
What?
And it's pretty neat. And as you fold it and it clicks folded, suddenly, instead of the one screen that you were looking at, you now have three screens. You have a front screen, a rear screen, and a screen where the binder is, where the tablet folded.
I'm looking at your video from CES. It looks like a completely normal tablet.
Exactly.
It's so weird. And then it just bends.
You just bend it back.
Oh, no, you're going to break it. Oh, no.
That's exactly what I said. I said, if I look under the table, are there 50 of these broken? And the guy said, only if you fold it the other way.
Yeah.
Yep.
So the screen just bends.
It just bends. And then
there's no hinge.
Now you have three screens. So you can have a phone on one side, you can be reading something on the other. You can have your messages coming down the binder.
Does it fold all the way together, though? I notice you kind of got it open a little bit.
You know what? I tell you the truth, I was afraid I was going to break it. It clicks open, and so it is actually folded in half when it's folded all the way.
I didn't know you could get one of these now.
Yeah, and I also left it that way because it stands up that way. And as the guy said, you can put it on its side and then play Battleship with someone because you both have your own screens.
Ooh, what fun!
And then also, it's kind of neat. There are two cameras in there, a 20 megapixel and a 16 megapixel. When you shoot pictures, you can be seeing what you're shooting, and the person you are seeing can be seeing what you're seeing on their side of the screen. So if they want to smile or adjust their hair or whatever, both people can see what you're about to take a picture of.
Royole. Royal is spelled weird.
Royal. Yeah. Now, the price may put you off.
Okay.
Okay. It's coming later in the year to the U.S., but there is a developer model available in 2 months with 120 gigabytes.
Oh, that's a lot of storage. Okay.
Okay. It's a Snapdragon 855.
Nice processor. All right.
Okay. Now, give me your guess as to the price.
Well, what I don't know is how much that screen costs. And, everybody who makes OLED screens says, well, we're going to have foldable screens. I'm going to guess it's around $800. Oh, you're laughing at me.
Well, you could buy the front screen.
Just get the front, not the back.
And then later on, you could add the back screen and then the binder. 1,300 and change.
Okay. Well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but, this is pretty new stuff.
I know. And there's a 250 gigabyte model.
Yes.
Gigabytes, yeah. But
for how much is that?
$1,470.
Get the extra 256. Why not?
Yeah, exactly.
Now, God, I have a lot of questions for you. Is it Android?
It's what they call. I think the guy said it was COS based on Android 9.
Okay. So that means it probably doesn't have the Google stuff on it. That's interesting. That's COS, huh? I guess you'd have to modify it, although...
Yeah. Leo, I look at my note here. It's water. They call it Water OS.
Water. Well, that was lost in translation. That's fine.
Oh, it's close. Yeah, based on Android 9.0.
OS. I like how your mind works. This is why, by the way, he is so funny, is his mind is weird. And he writes funny. He just does. He's just like, you can't help it.
I'll just say this. I happened to watch an old Eddie Cantor movie last night, and there was a line in there so funny that this reminded me of. The guy said, "My wife didn't put any water in the aquarium today because the fish didn't drink what she gave them yesterday."
Oh, man. Now,
that fits in with my thinking.
What just your general feeling about this? Would you carry this around?
You know what? I think it's something I don't have a need for. I mean, I could say, well, on the bus, I'm going to be watching a movie, and then I'm going to want to get off the bus, and I don't want to have this big tablet to make phone calls. I'll fold it in half. But
is that really the main feature of it? Is it's more pocketable?
That seems to be, and you have two different screens. But if you have a tablet, you can have two screens anyway.
Right.
So
it's just smaller than a tablet. It opens up to tablet size. How big is it? Like 7-inch tablet, 8-inch tablet?
It's 7.8 open.
Okay. Yeah. Well, we're going to see these from everybody. In fact, the latest version of Android apparently has code for foldable screens built into it. So Google's expecting that there'll be a lot of new Android devices with foldable screens.
Yeah, well, I thought you were going to be the first, but I guess not.
I ain't buying this. The Royale FlexPai, which is a terrible name.
Isn't that a terrible name?
ROYOLEFLEXPAI. And I tell you, the easiest thing to do is go to Dick's website, gizwiz.biz, GIZWIZ.biz, because he has all the information about it on his site. You just have to click the link that says the Giz Wiz visits the tech guy. And I should point out, while you're there, there's another button called What the Heck Is It? Chance to play our What the Heck Is It game. Dick's, I say our, it's your What the Heck Is It game. Identify a close-up picture of a clay pot, and you could win an autograph. No, it's a gadget that looks like a clay pot. You could win an autographed copy of Mad Magazine for the right answer or the wrong answer, because Dick is very equal opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dickie D. Don't forget his podcast, too, gizwiz.tv. Take care.
Okay, see you next week. Bye.